think Catherine Bernardo should take care of her health, right? So, dami niyang baka maging Angel Locsin din siya na kakasakit.
She should prioritize her health din kasi you know what happened to Angel's back.
Kali. Midnight Sabaw. Welcome po sa another episode ng Midnight Sabaw. At tonight, we are viewing a trailer for an upcoming TV series once again by the Love Team Katniel.
Yes. It's entitled La Luna Sangre
Or
what?
The Blood Moon.
In Tagalog?
Pulang buwan.
Dugo.
Ay, dugo.
Parang mali. The Blood Moon kasi. It's the Blood Moon. La Luna Sangre.
Okay.
So, it's a third installment of Lobo. First was Lobo, and then it was Immortal. And now we have La Luna Sangre.
Okay.
So, let's see
Let's see.
2008, nahingitan ng pag-ibig ang batas ng tadhana.
YOLO.
2011, sa hidwaang mortal.
Ang ganda ni Angel.
Oo nga. Ang pangit niya, no?
Ito yung panahon kasi ng Twilight, kaya may ganyan.
Oh, so Lobo, si Piolo. Diba?
Yeah.
And Angel. Immortal, si John Lloyd na vampire.
Yes.
Nasusundan ko, di ba?
Yeah, and she's still a Lobo.
Oh, so it's like a generational
It is.
epic. So,
parang clan wars, family clan wars.
So, ito ngayon, sino kaya ang vampire tsaka sino kaya ang lobo?
Most likely, yung girl, yung na ano.
Pwede rin na si ano yung lobo Di ba?
Okay.
Okay.
I just assume na.
Tingnan nga natin, baka may pakita nila.
Ngayong taon, starring the country's premier love team na minahal mo sa Princess and I, Got to Believe at Pangako Sa'yo. ABS-CBN proudly presents a Star Creatives production. Witness the continuation of the unforgettable saga.
Parang Korean yung suot.
For me, parang Chinese.
Ha?
Ano ba? They look Chinese. Oh, wait lang. Wait lang!
Ano? Okay na, tumakbo.
You have to admit she looks like Colleen Wing. She looks like Colleen Wing. Look at her. She looks like Colleen Wing.
Explain mo nga kung sino yan si Colleen Wing. Di naman kilala yan
Look at her again, look.
Oh.
Yeah, looks! This is Colleen Wing!
Hindi nga kilala si Colleen Wing. Kakapanood lang natin nun.
Look at her! Yan si Colleen Wing.
Explain mo kung sino si Colleen Wing. Hindi nila kilala yun.
Kilala nila yon. Everyone watched, Iron Fist.
Sige, bahala ka. Pero hindi ka mukha ni Colleen Wing.
Hindi mo ba nakikita yung nakikita ko? Kamukha niya si Colleen Wing.
Whatever.
And they're both doing
karate.
Kung
Fu.
Or martial arts. Yeah?
Okay, go. Oh, tumakbo. May dalang arnis.
Akala ko sword. Sorry.
Arnis. Oh. Bakit sila nag-aaway? Yung tanong.
Clan Wars nga. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, maganda yung
Choreography.
kaya lang pare-pare nila yung tunog. Dapat iba-iba yung tunog ng
Nang what? Grabe.
Sa direksyon ni Cathy Garcia Molina, coming in 2017.
Oh, they did not say when.
Kakabitin. Wala namang pinakita
What did you think?
Sabi vampire tsaka werewolf, wala naman, di naman pinakita karate, kung pulang.
vampire and werewolves nung time nung Immortal.
Oo nga, so, dapat,
So, I don't know what this is about. They did not say.
wala
They
nga.
did not
eh,
show.
nakakabitin eh. Pero, tingin ko, alam ko na, ano to, Clan Wars ng Shinobi, yung Japanese na
It didn't
movie.
look Japanese. What was that?
May napanood ako movie nun eh, na mag-lover sila pero yung clans nila magkaaway po, pareho silang martial artist na special powers.
Ganun nga rin yung Immortal eh. Si John Lloyd tsaka si, si Angel.
So wala, pero yung choreography medyo okay, yung effects medyo hindi
It's fine with me. I like the choreography.
like
Alam
yung
mo,
buwan,
ano?
ayusin nyo, pangit pagkagawa. Tsaka yung
What?
slide, pangit. Maganda yung, yung wushu,
Wushu.
Pero yung nag-slide na nag-blur, panahon pa yun ni
I don't know.
2008 pa yun.
I don't know. Iba yung nakita ko. I mean, I have this high admiration for actors and for artists na who will have to develop a new skill set. Imagine yung magte-training ka pa.
Oo, tapos magkakamuscle ka, paano na yung smooth ni Kathleen Bernardo?
I mean, that explains nga kaya nagkalaman siya, nag-gym pala siya.
Magiging...
It's fine.
Oo nga, pero...
Pero yun nga, nag-training pa siya. Catherine Bernardo has big shoes to fill. Kasi yung
Angel kasi.
successor siya ni Angel Locsin. And Angel Locsin did a lot of drama, sabay stunts. Mahirap kaya yun. Yung Katniel, they really need dedication to their work. I mean, I guess that's why
kahit si
may mga
Daniel
magaganda silang
Padilla,
projects.
mataas rin yung niya isa kanya, dalawa yung tatapatan niya. At least si Angel lang. Si Catherine, si Angel lang yung tatapatan niya. Si Daniel Padilla, nandyan si Piolo, mataas na yun. Nandyan pa si John Lloyd.
Well, they must be doing something right kasi they keep getting good projects. But I think yung mga ganyang fantasy area, I mean, that's really hard. Kasi magta-training ka pa and then you'll have this drama, may acting. I mean, I know they have doubles, pero you still have to know how to do it.
Pero sana next time medyo mas i-detalye pa nila. Parang sobrang bitin. Di ba?
Hindi. Trailer lang naman eh. I mean, if you really want to watch it, you wait for the show.
Panoorin natin yung yung unang
Yung
episode nung natin. I-reviewin natin.
I don't know about you, but I'm impressed with their yung
Kung fu,
yung execution.
wushu.
Wushu and it's
Arnis,
the
diba?
Filipino
Arnis
martial
pa.
arts at
Kali.
Pekita Tertia Kali.
Yeah, Kali.
That's impressive for me.
Yeah, ayusin lang yung effects nila. Hindi ako natuwa.
Ako, for me, okay lang. Masyado. Ano to, Netflix?
Yeah, okay. Sige, pag bigyan natin sila ng chance to show kung paano talaga to sa first episode. Na i-reviewin din natin.
We'll see.
Okay. At dyan po, nagtatapos ang aming Midnight Sabaw Katniel Edition. Signing off.
Okay.